Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. Then we're going to be showing you the color shifters. See how they work. First color shifter, we got a little power rocket. Then we got a Pontiac GTO. And let's get us some cold and hot water. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back, folks. Now we got our hot water over here on the right. We got our cold water over here on the left. Take our power rocket. It's like a goldish color with silver stripes. We're going to dip him into hot water. Yeah. Now he turns a silver with gold stripes. Dip him back in the cold. Turns back to the gold color with silver stripes. Hot and cold. Now let's take our GTO. Dip him in the hot. It turns to a darker green color, black and yellow stripes. Dip him back in the cold. Turns back to the darker color. Back into the hot. Turns back to the dark green color. And then back to the cold again. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the little review. Check out my other videos of 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Bye.